Gold and silver traded with modest bearish bias yesterday. However, interestingly, the levels which we had discussed for both gold and silver proven out to be a great support, and at the same time on the downside the resistance is also played out well. We have discussed why 2664 66 on the upside, and for silver 3140 3160 zone should be a greater resistance. What has happened, we have seen precisely metals reversing from the same zone, while on the downside this is also interesting to note that 2644 46 very good support it has provided, and for silver 31 31 20 zone. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the only channel to give you a multi-time frame, and twice a day the second update will be there before the US session and gives you a proper reasoning for a particular price point and an entry, and take profit as well. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment, friends. Your every like, share and comment is a great motivation to me. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. Let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly chart, see, one thing is clear. Here are the supports which are playing out very, very well. It requires a force for gold to break below this zone, and thus once it stays below 2644 you can expect it to drop more, but the next support levels are also very, very nearby. 2638.40 should be a great support, and then 2630.32, or these levels are definitely going to play a major role today in deciding the future for gold, and below 2630.32 is where major bearishness may prevail here. Right now the momentum is not very much supportive of such aggressive move here, though if you look at, it was trading, see the formation here on the early charts. Now it is consolidating here in zone. On the upside definitely the resistances are also equally strong, and thus once you see it is staying above 2654 58, we can expect that it is going to move again towards 26 62 64, which is going to remain the next resistance zone on the upside here for today. If you look at a stock ISIC, this has dropped a bit. The MACD has also dropped. The RSI is also dropped here. Signs of slight bearishness are available. Now look at 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, see series of bullish candles, series of bearish candles, side or retracement. Now after retracement, first bearish candle, I will wait for the next one to appear here. When the next candle arrives, that is going to be the decision maker here. And once it trades below 2640.38 is where you can say we are certainly looking forward to major bearish momentum. Else, as long as today 2638.40 zone is not taken, we should not be treating gold as bearish here. Very, very clear. Stochastic trying to rise, while the MACD after the crossover now trading bearish, looking downwards, and it has still room for a further downside. RSI has dropped as well. On the 3-hour, the observation here on the 3-hour charts is more or less same. 20 period moving average so far giving it a very good support here. First thing is for the current candle to close below the 20 period moving average. Second thing is the next candle to start below this and then keep moving downwards. If you see this happening, then you can say that more bearishness should be there, and then you can look forward to 2640.38. So yes, a selling entry at 2644 can be taken. Now on the upside, do note this is a flat top. It tried to breach this once, but failing to do so, we have seen gold reversing here. Thus the resistance on the upside towards 2654 56 are equally strong. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence. This appears, and just 3 candles away it appears there is not much of downside available. RSI has dropped as well, and on the 4-hour the observation is more or less same. Drop, retracement, first bearish candle, and I think this one can be a bit deeper one or a bigger one where we can see a movement towards 2640.38 in this candle itself, below which more bearishness should prevail. And if you look at the stochastic, this is at bottom. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily, and before we move on to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first observe the last two. See, this is the week beginning candles, and look at the yesterday's candle. It is an indecision candle here. Now also this includes that it can possibly reverse and deliver higher highs. Do not forget this fact that it can reverse and it can deliver similar size of candle here. However, right now the momentum is downwards, where we can say that it is not going to come back. First, if it breaks below 2640.38, then the chances will be less that it is going to reverse complete. And once it stays below 2630.32 is where you can say now it is not going to come back certainly, and we are looking forward to a greater fall. Stochastic here is at top, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is flat. Else, see what can happen here, hitting the double bottom also it can reverse, hitting lower lows also it can reverse. But once it drops below 2640.38 is where more bearishness should be there. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell here at 2644. Expect 2640.38 as the first target level, and if it drops below this you can expect 2630.32, and below 2630.32 is where we can say stronger bearish momentum may prevail here, taking it till towards 2620, 2605 levels. While on the upside, now a buying entry is there at 2654 levels here. Expect 2658, 2662, 2666. Three levels below, beyond 2666 we expect 2671, 2675.5. Now see, very nearby resistances. You cannot avoid it. You cannot say that why such a smaller resistances. These are the levels which you had seen gold getting reversed from. So till 2674.76, again highlighting this fact, you should not be treating gold as bullish. Only and only if it trades about 2674.76, you can stay bullish here and expect it to keep moving towards 2685 and higher levels. Trade accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Likewise on silver, see what silver did is, first of all, a gap down was seen. It has filled the gap. Now after filling the gap, what has happened? We have seen it dropping here, lower highs are seen. Now after the drop, it is just consolidating here in the zone. And once again now 31.10, $31 levels are going to remain the first support levels. Once you see silver trading below 31.10 and 31, you can say we are looking forward to 30.80, 30.50 levels as the next targets. Possibility is there and possibility is very strong. Moving averages have started to converge. The stochastic has dropped here. MACD is trading bearish and the RSI has dropped as well. On the 2 hour chart, see median of the Bollinger Bands, greater resistance. I have shared yesterday as well. First, for yesterday, 3140, 3160 was a greater resistance. Now for the day again, these levels are going to play important, but we can initiate a buying entry if you see it is staying above 3130 itself. When you see the lower price above 3130, initiate a buying position and expect it to keep moving towards 3140-60 zone, which is definitely going to remain a greater resistance here. However, right now if you see after the reversal, we have seen it retracing now. Again, flat top here, first bearish candle, increasing body size. I will wait for the next. Now with the next candle, the price is trading below 31.10 and 31. We can say it is going to crash further. So yes, keep a check on this. The stochastic has retraced now looking down. MACD is trading bearish and the RSI has dropped here. On the 3 hour, the observation on the 3 hour charts is more or less same. Second bearish candle information, just wait for it to take a direction, just wait for the next candle. In fact, you can see if you look at this price, higher levels should be below 31.10. At these levels itself you can sell. However, the safer should be at around 30.95, $31 levels, which is going to remain a prime support. So ideally you can wait for 30.95, 31, but yes, a bit riskier trade can be taken at 31.10 itself. But remember, only the higher price has to be below 31.10. Now see this, the stochastic here has also dropped. The MACD has just crossed over. Trading with divergence suggests more bearishness. RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour charts here, you can see similar observation. Drop, retracement, now taking a direction. Just wait for it to trade below this zone. Very clear, very important. These levels 31.10 and 31. Below this, certainly we can say we are looking forward to a greater move. Now if you track the movement here in silver, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now this is changing its course. It can move towards lower lows. Where are the lows for this? Towards $30 levels. We have to wait still. It has to break past lot many hurdles before moving towards the $30 levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is willing to cross over for sell. Wait for it to cross over. RSI has dropped. Coming to daily. Now look at daily chart. See, first of all, yesterday's candle was a swing candle. Second is higher lows here. This means it has to first drop below 31 and then trade below 3080 levels here. 3080, 3075 is going to remain the next critical support for the day. Any drop below 3080, 3075 is the confirmation that we are looking forward to a major down move where the prices will move towards 3050 or lower levels. The stochastic has retraced here, MACD is trading bearish and RSI is dropped. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy if you see the lower price above 3130. You can initiate a buying entry. Expect 3150-60 zone to be the next resistance. This is going to be a definitely bigger hurdle for silver to break past by. Once it breaks beyond 3150-60, just stay bullish for 3185, $32 levels, next target levels. Beyond 32, sky is the limit. 3225, 3250 and $33 levels can appear here. Anything is possible. These are markets. However, the movement is not very much supportive of such a stronger bullish move that it can take or it can move towards 33 today. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3110 itself. When you see the higher price below 3110, we can expect a movement which can take it towards 3095, 31, very nearby, but could not be avoided. And then 3075, 3080. If these two levels are taken, stay short. We can look forward to 3050, 3040 first target and $30 levels at the next. Trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again in few hours from now.